Hello and welcome to this week's video. This week we're heading over to Willow Fields. It's a Haxey near Doncaster. We're going to spend 2 nights there. We're going to spend Friday night there and Saturday night there. It's local to us. It's probably a 25-minute drive for us to get there. So yeah, we're going to go and check it out. We've got an electric pitch because the non-electric ones weren't available, so we had to book an electric one, which we don't really need, but we've got a hookup cable, so we're going to take that and maybe use a little bit of electric. But primarily we just wanted a normal pitch, but they were booked up. This weekend they've got a bring and buy sale on the Saturday, 10 till 2 it's on, in front of the clubhouse. People can book stalls there for selling stuff, a bit like a car boot I think. But another channel we watch, John and Mandy, we really like. We've never actually met them yet. They're there and they're selling some of their stuff, so we thought we'll book there this weekend and we're going to head over there and check out Willow Fields. Like I say, it's only local to us. Normally we try and go further afield. Normally we'd try and do a wild camp or something like that, but yeah, we wanted to meet them. There's a couple of other YouTubers I believe going, so I'm hoping to bump into those as well. But primarily just a weekend away before we spend 2 weeks away in the van, when we'll be heading over to Wales, all the parts of Wales, and then we'll be heading to the Lake District. So we're hoping to do quite a few wild camps on that one. So that'll be in the future, in a week or two, so keep an eye out for them videos. And if you didn't check out last week's video, Bugsworth Basin at Whaley Bridge, you have to go and look at that video. Absolutely epic little place to go, that. £5 a night, absolutely epic. Really is worth going to there. So let's head over to Willow Fields and see what we can see. So we arrived last night. The bring and buys on this morning. There's our pitch there, look. We've got an electric pitch. As you can see, there's quite a few other vans here. All over there's non-electric. We couldn't seem to get one of those. Yeah, we're going to go around the bring and buy sale now. So that's the entrance down there where you come in. You can park along here. Got a toilet block over here, look. Showers in the middle, women's toilets, men's toilets, grey waste, else and emptying over there. Yeah, and you drive up there to get to where we are. There's a little gate there into that bit. You can just see John and Mandy's van there. That's where they tend to park when they come here. And there's a clubhouse over there. Not this bit here. Over there, there's a clubhouse. We do food, pizzas and all that kind of thing. Well, yeah, very nice little place this, very nice. Actually, the weather's looking rather good today. It forecast rain, but it's been beautiful up to now. We're just about to take Zach down for something to eat, aren't we, mate?
Yep.
Lovely. So I hope you've enjoyed this week's video here at Willow Fields. And if you want to book in here at all, you can do it online if you head over to their website. So yeah, and thanks for watching. Next week I'll be at work, and then we're going away for 2 weeks. We're going around South Wales and a bit of North Wales, I'm going to the Lake District, so keep an eye out for them videos. And thanks again for watching, and thank you to the new subscribers.